Someone rightly said digital services are changing the ways we read and purchase books. And even though it might be hard to break the habit of turning the pages of a real book, there are benefits to this dramatic change. Hello readers, welcome back to Xandraly. It's Cassandra again, your favorite booktuber. If you're stopping for the first time, welcome. We are happy to have you join us. We at Xandraly are passionate about reading and helping you become your best self by encouraging reading and publishing content to help readers read more and grow. With Xandraly, you have no excuses at all for not reading. Join our reading community now with the link in the description of this video. And please use the subscribe button now to stay connected to amazing content like this. In today's video, we'll be revealing and exploring how far technology has blessed the world of books and how beneficial this is to us. We probably wouldn't know until now. I think it feels good to have different options for reading. It helps different people work with what's suitable for them and what's available at them, and also helping you use technology to your advantage. We'll be exploring different ways technology has changed reading and making the best use of them to their full potential. Reading just got better for you, my dear bookworm friend. The first technology that has revolutionized the world of reading is the invention of audiobooks. Audiobooks are the recordings of the text of a book that you listen to rather than read. If you are one that likes multitasking, this one is for you. Basically, you can have it play while you attend to other things. Someone also said audiobooks are the greatest invention. How true is that? How soothing it is to hear a voice read a story to you, your toddler, or just keep the atmosphere spiffy. The next on our list is the e-reader. E-reader allows you to get books from a variety of devices. Technology has made digital distribution of books easy. With this in place, don't fill your phone's memory when you can have it easy with e-readers. With your e-readers, books are at your disposal just like 1, 2, 3. Personally, I like the feel of an e-reader on my hand. You should consider having an e-reader anytime soon. I'm sure you will definitely love it. And it's a great investment to add to your reading nook this year. Is there all there is? Let's explore more the popular book websites and apps. How many book apps do you have on your phone? How often do you visit book websites? Let's know in the comment section. So we know you're a hard worker, right? And all your apps are work related, Slack, Asana, Trello, and the likes on your phone. Relax, you don't have to break the bank for leisure. With book apps, you can have thousands of books in your pocket. What better way to use your time productively? With these apps or websites, your reads are organized, on any topic, any genre. To enjoy this benefit, all you have to do is to visit your Google Play Store or Apple Store to download any of our recommendations like Amazon Kindle, Bookly, Comixology for fun books, Wattpad, Script, Serial Reader, and lots more. And for the final one today is blogs. The stereotypes surrounding blogs are understood, but for the sake of your reading span, you may want to visit blog sites from time to time to update your knowledge, especially about human-related stories, trends, reviews, and how-to features. Blogs provide interesting reads in shorter time frame and hit the nail on the head. Blogs are also interesting because of the style of writing, mostly storytelling format. Blogs also provide pictorial representation of the discussion at hand. Are you searching for such blog? Visit Xandraly blog at xandraly.com/blog today. There are lots of interesting stuff for you there. Technology has made literature and other reads more accessible to majority of readers and more direct for consumption. Not just for the readers, but has helped authors and publishers interact with the world. Let's grab these great hacks. Which of these would you incorporate to reading physical books to make learning even faster and easier? For me, I would explore audiobooks more. We have to call a cut here for today. Keep flipping pages. Remember, you are better as much as you invest in yourself. Thank you for staying glued to this video. Hope to catch you on our next video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video if you found it helpful and comment what you've learned. Share with your friends also. Bye for now.